All right, what's going on, everybody? In this video, I'm going to be showing you exactly how you can get unlimited free leads in any niche with one prompt. Yes, you heard it right. With one prompt using AI, you're going to be able to get unlimited leads in any niche imaginable. So stick around to the end of the video. I'm going to show you exactly how you can do this very cool little hack using AI. And you don't even have to be technical. You don't have to be an AI whiz, nothing like that. It's literally just copy and paste. So you copy this prompt into your AI of choice. It'll work just fine with Claude, Gemini, or ChatGPT. And I'm going to show you how to adjust this for your specific goals, like for your specific business, your industry, and your location. And the cool thing is, yes, this is truly unlimited because all you need to do if you want to get more leads is just change it to a different city. You're going to see, I'm going to walk you through. There's a little space for you to put your city, but you just will search for leads in a different city, right? Or you can adjust the niche too if you want to stay in the same city. All right. So this truly is unlimited. There's no tricks going on here. It's unlimited, it's free, and these are leads that AI will literally just give you right on your screen. So you're gonna love it. Follow along, super simple, and in just a few minutes, you're gonna have access to unlimited leads. So if you're watching this inside my Skool community, then the prompt is gonna be below this video. If you're watching this on YouTube or on any of my other social profiles where I'm posting this, then come on, join my completely free Skool group. I'm going to have the link below to that. You can join it for free, and then you'll be able to just copy and paste this prompt completely for free. All right. So there's no hiding or gating or anything. Or if you truly don't want to join the Skool group, you can just pause the video and you can type this in. But I would love to have you, and yeah, highly encourage you to join us. So yeah, let's walk right through. Let me just minimize myself. And yeah, what we're going to do is we're going to use Gemini for this example. So I'm just going to walk you through here. Like I said, though, this is going to work just fine on Claude, on ChatGPT, or on Gemini. The reason that I'm actually using Gemini, though, first thing is let's copy our prompt right here. So I'm going to just hit copy, and then I'm going to hit paste. Now, let me explain, and I'm going to make this a little bit bigger. The reason why, so let's go through I'm going to explain the prompt and the reasons behind it because it is actually specific and there's reasons why this prompt is the way it is. And there's just like a couple little important things that you need to know. And then again, I'll also show you how to adjust it. So number one, it says, just act as a B2B lead generation specialist and market researcher. I need to identify 30 small businesses. Again, you can adjust the number right here too to get more leads. But I think 30 is a good starting point. You can just go, reach out to those leads first. And yeah, so identify 30 small businesses in your city. So you're going to just put your city right here. I'll just make up an example city. So I will say, I'll just say Costa Mesa, California and then you pick your niche right here, right? So if it depends, whatever business you want to target, or if you don't know yet, then, this could be a good place to kind of like explore, try a couple different niches and see like what fits you, right? But we'll say within the uh, plumbers. Yeah, we'll say plumber niche who are currently running Google Ads. Okay, so this is one key piece right here. Let me explain this because you may not think to put this in your own prompt and it could cause, it just might not bring you as ideal leads. And this is also a reason why I'm using this specifically on Gemini. All right, so this line that I highlighted right here is we're only searching for businesses that are currently running Google Ads. Now, why is that, right? There are tons of businesses out there. Not all of them are going to be running Google Ads. So maybe we'll be missing some leads, right? Maybe we'll be missing some quality businesses and leads. Well, that may be so. That's totally possible. But the reason why I'm doing this is because, think about it. If a business out there is running Google Ads to advertise their business, that tells us what? One, they actually understand the importance and the value of marketing, right? Otherwise, they wouldn't be running ads. Two, this also means that they have a budget to spend on marketing, right? Because they're paying Google money right now, like right at this very moment, to advertise their business, right? So that shows us two important things that are not necessarily true for all businesses that we could be reaching out to. All right. So one, this business actually values marketing and they know it's important. And two, they actually have the money to invest into marketing too. All right. So if you're going to be selling marketing services or AI services or anything like that, it's important that you know those two things to qualify a business before you ever reach out to them. Otherwise, you may get a few bites, but you could be wasting your time on businesses that, one, don't see the value in marketing, and two, they do see the value in marketing, but they don't have the money. All right. This way, you're just filtering out all those potentially crap leads, and you know right off the bat that these people do see the value of marketing and that they have the cash to invest into marketing their business and growing their business, which is ultimately what you're going to be selling them. So this is a mega hack. So yeah, you're welcome. It's a good little hack, trust me, because a lot of businesses, you'd be surprised, but a lot of businesses that you're going to spend a lot of time doing outreach on are just going to be tire kickers and wasting your time because they don't actually have money to invest into marketing, or they just don't believe that they need to invest money into marketing, right? So you're going to fly past all of that if you use this prompt in this way. Right, then we're telling Gemini right here to use Google search and the Google Ads Transparency Center to confirm which businesses in this area and niche are active advertisers. So that's why I like to use Gemini for this prompt. Again, any AI of choice will still be able to look into this, but just because it's Google Ads specifically and Gemini is a Google product, I just like it. It just makes sense, right? So what this tells us is Google is going to, or basically the AI is going to tell us and is going to confirm within the Google Ads Transparency Center, which is a place that basically will tell us which advertisers or which companies are running Google Ads. This is just basically like confirmation that these companies are in fact spending money on the Google Ad platform. All right. Then finally, it just says for each of the 30 businesses, provide the following in a clean markdown table: company name, website URL, phone number, email address, and then add evidence. This is going to just basically tell us where the AI, if the AI saw their ad on search, maps, or the transparency center. This is basically just so that the AI isn't like making stuff up without any proof, right? We want to know that there's proof that this is for sure a company that is running ads and spending money on marketing. All right. So that's it. That's the little blurb and explanation behind each part of this prompt. And now let's just plug it in. You don't really have to do anything else. Again, you don't have to know AI for this to work. You literally just plug this in and boom, this is what you get. So it says, here's a compiled list of active B2B target leads in the Costa Mesa, California area within the plumbing niche. And it's just going to pop out a whole bunch of leads for you right here. All right, and you see it's going to tell you their name, their website URL, so you can go check out the website. It's going to give you their phone number so you can call them or text them, and it's going to give you their email address so you can reach out to them. Right, and then it's also, again, it's going to tell you where it saw proof that these companies are actually running paid ads, which again, this is like a hack to pre-qualify. Trust me, like you want to be making sure that you're spending money, or excuse me, that you're spending time contacting businesses that have the willingness and the actual resources, like the cash to invest in growing their business. Otherwise, again, they could be the nicest person, they could be the best business out there, but if they don't actually have a whole lot of money to invest, you're just going to be wasting your time because they're not going to be able to become a paid client. So yeah, then we've got a whole bunch of businesses that we can text them, we can call them, we can put them into like our automations and do automated outreach, and yeah. So that's it. That's how the prompt works. You can copy and paste this whole thing. You should be able to, if you want, you can also probably tell Gemini, like, can you export this as a CSV or like Google Sheet, right? So again, you can just copy. I think it's easiest to you can just copy and paste the whole thing. But if you want, it can also export it for you. And yeah, that's how this prompt works. So go ahead, have fun. You can get a ton of leads this way. And next step, what I would recommend that you do is move on to the completely free course, Get Your First Client in 10 Days. That's what I'd recommend that you do next inside the free Skool community. Again, if you're not in the Skool community, go ahead and join. It's free and you'll get this course as well. And yeah, if you want more leads, just remember in the prompt right here, we said identify 30 small businesses in Costa Mesa, California. So you can adjust this to a larger number. You can put like a neighboring city, or you could just start again. We're doing like AI businesses and online marketing businesses. We don't even need to be in the city that we're targeting. So you could put Anchorage, Alaska if you want. Like, what the heck? Why not? Have some fun with it. All right. So this was the hack to get unlimited quality targeted leads completely for free using one single AI prompt. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. And again, next step, if you want to go get your very first client in 10 days, free course is the next step that I want you to take. All right, I'll see you inside.